Hello everyone. This is Environmental Studies 2 Unit 3 and this is part 2 of this topic. So in first part we discussed about the what are the causes of the population growth and what is meant by population growth and what are the worldwide scenarios about population. So in this part we will discuss about what are the effect of population growth on the environment and the health. So effect of population explosion. So very first effect, over stress on natural resources. So we know that there are always limited natural resources, but due to overloaded population, that natural resources comes under stress. Overproduction of wastage. So due to the population growth, there are always huge production of the waste like domestic waste, industrial waste and other agriculture and all type of the waste. And so this is the another effects of this increase of population. Then third is the food problem. We know that if there is increase in population, there is always scarcity of food and it is very difficult to fulfill the requirement of the food of all the peoples. So there is always this food disaster. Then fourth is overstress on water resources. We know that the mainly water is come from the rain, and that every year there is a specific or limited rain is fall on the earth's surface, and due to that if population it increase, there is a very difficulties occurs to supply the water among the huge population. Then last one is the unemployment. We know that if there is a increase in population, the jobs are very limited and most of population get unemployed, and due to that there is a huge disaster in a society. Then the main effect in on the air, water and deforestation. We know that if once population increase, the commodities or the facilities of that population also get increased, and due to that the air pollution will be happen. We know that if there is increase in population, the vehicles get increased. From the vehicle, air pollution increases. Then if population increase, there is a requirement of cooking, and in case of cooking most of peoples burn the woods and gases, so again air population increases. Water pollution is again one cause or one effect. Whenever water used for the domestic purpose, water waste is created, that is the wastewater, and number of population increase, water waste get increases and the water pollution get increase. Then increase in demand of food resources. So increase in population, obviously food demand increases, and so that get disasters regarding food. So deforestation. Then to leave this population on the earth, there is always space is required, and the space is created after destroying the forest, and trees get cut, and due to that deforestation happen. So this is the very specific picture for this air pollutions. We know that once population increases, number of industries get increases, and from these industries the air pollution gets started for electricity generation, also for other types of products also. So this is the air pollution due to increase of industry and this increase in industry, it is happened due to increase in population. Then second cause of this air pollution, increase in population, then obviously increase in vehicles for transportation purpose of also, then carriage purpose also, that vehicles get increase. And we know that once vehicle increases, there is a tremendous amount of this air pollution. Number of gases get mixed in the environment in air, like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane, etc. That unburned gases also causes of the pollution, air pollution. Then second is the water pollution. We know that the most of river which flows from the cities get polluted due to this domestic water that is directly released in the that rivers and lakes, and due to that this whole water bodies get polluted, and due to this pollution of the water, the aquatic life comes in trouble, and so whole ecological cycle of this aquatic life get disturbed, and this is very harmful for this aquatic and the surrounding area underground water also. Then due to the bathroom and garbage of fuel flow direct into river and sea. We know that near the Mumbai there is a huge pollution in the sea. The plastic and garbage is directly dumped into the sea, and most of time that plastic not get composed and for several thousand years, and due to that this uncompostable material is always present in the sea or the rivers, and this is the great cause of the water pollution. Then increase in food demand. We know that once the population increases, if we take the example, if in the one house there is only two peoples, they require suppose two fruits, two pack of the vegetables, but once there is increase in two people again in the family, we know that obviously the demand get increase, and this will be the double. So this is photograph increase indicates the increase of food demand. Then increase of deforestation. So this two photograph clear cut indicates what will be the happen due to increase in the population. So we know that for the agriculture purpose deforestation happen. We know that to supply the sufficient amount of food to the growing population, agriculture is very important. So this is only happen after the deforestation or the forest cutting of particular area. And second thing, for the urbanization is can't happen without deforestation, and so in this second photograph we get this urbanized area, which in all this area there is an absence of any type of tree, and due to that the deforestation is continuously get increases, and we know that once deforestation happen, there is the tremendous amount of declination of oxygen and tremendous amount of increase in the carbon dioxide. So it is a very important to stop the deforestation. So we can use this population increase in population by positive way also, for intense labor for the private sector, which lead to development of the country's economy. For increase in defense sector of the countries, which lead strong position of the countries, and for intense labor for the government sector, which leads to smooth running of administration of the government. So these are some benefit of the population also, but other than these benefits, there is a huge amount of the drawbacks of increase in population. So anyway, we have to try to stop increase of population in any way. So to save our earth for the future, we have to plan to stop the population anyway. So thank you.